Hi ladies, it's Amos with another styling video. This is about the Piphany Coronado beautiful boho shirt for $49. This shirt is amazing and you're gonna hear all about why. Join my group, shop@amos.com. That's how the only way you can get your hands on this beautiful stuff. And then of course, subscribe to our channel so you always know what new styles and the way to rock them. You gotta subscribe to the channel because it's the only way you're gonna know. So I really, really appreciate that. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you're loving our videos. And we always want to hear from you. So if you have any questions or comments, you can always comment below the video, or you can simply send us an email to shop@amos@gmail.com. Okay, this is feminine. It is boho. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I've never seen anything like this. So let's get into some of the nitty-gritty details. The first thing is it has this adorable tasseled string. You could leave it open for more of a V-neck. You can also tie it very simply like this and leave it long, so it's an automatic accessory. Hello. Then it has this cute little teardrop, little opening right there. Of course, you can also tie it like this. So you have an accessory already built in, so kudos on that. Now the arm has this really, really feminine detail. This makes this really a beautiful shirt for the summer and spring. And anytime you wear a shirt like this, this is like a hot weather go-to. And I think if you live somewhere that you live in a hot climate, and be able to wear this year round. But you do not want to cover up these sleeves. They're adorable. There is a really beautiful, beautiful detail on here. Nice embroidery detail. So feminine, okay? I love that it closes right here. Now I also want to take note, look at how wide the sleeves are. So you have a beautiful, beautiful drape, plenty of room for your arm. But I also want to have you be cognizant of the fact that the designer, Rachel, was totally aware of back fat. And she wanted to be able to have a beautiful shirt that would be feminine and gorgeous while covering or hiding or blurring all of our sore spots that comes with your arm. And kudos to doing that. So it has like this tank top feel, right? So it's wide enough to cover every, no matter the width of your bra strap. It hangs just over my shoulders because I don't really have shoulders. I only show the nice parts of my arm. And I just think this is adorable. It has a slight A-line that starts right about here. So there's ample room for my hips. It is plenty long enough. I am wearing them with the Manhattan jeggings, but you can totally wear these with cutoff shorts. You can wear these with capris or Bermudas. You can wear this with a really long maxi skirt. You can even wear this with a pencil skirt. So, or even like palazzo pants. There is tons of options to wear with this, and you can go from anywhere from summer boho casual to like office professional, because I still think that although you're showing your arms, you can really still run a boardroom with this. This is saying, girls and men, I am lady boss showing my arms, okay? So I feel like you could really still command a room and be very professional with something like this. Not to mention it's trendy as all hell, right? So let's talk a little bit about some of the other things. Nice and long in the back, plenty of room. Although I personally I don't recommend sizing down in this. For me, this 3X has ample amount of room. Now, if you want to make it a little bit shorter, which is something I would probably do, just because I just like wearing my stuff a little bit shorter. I recommend you can still put a belt on, although I probably would say a smaller belt would be better in this because you really don't want to take away from the sleeves and the tassel. But I don't have a tiny belt at my disposal right now, so I'm going to show you how I would do it with a thicker belt. But something like this would be really, really cute. This would be like the length that I would actually prefer. I love pulling it up. I love having that scoop right here for my lower mom tummy, and I love being able to still keep it long in the back if I want to. I could still pull it out and cover the back of my belt. To be honest with you, if I had one of those thin belts or a little tiny rope belt, even something small like a shoelace or something like this really thin, I would probably tie it right under my bust and then pull it out like this. So if I could get my shirt to sit there here, this would be, where I'd want to actually wear it. And this is how I intend to wear it, because I'm keeping this one. And of course, you can still wear all your skirts and pants with it. I also think that I just love all the extra little bells and whistles on here. I love the detail on the arm. I think that's just so pretty. I love that this has this cute tassel that is, you can modify it for different looks. I love the bell sleeves. Like, I love how big the sleeves are. And I just think this is like a really pretty, unique shirt. This is a showstopper. People are going to stop you and ask you, oh my gosh, I love your shirt. Where'd you get it? What are you going to tell them? Shop with Amos. Like, seriously, this is a beautiful print. Now, this is a rayon crepe. So this is a woven fabric. So as far as the textile part of it, this is like, has that handmade quality to it. It is not stretchy. So which is why I'm going to say you can, definitely want to wear your true size for sure, because there's ample room in the flowiness of this. It is very, very flowy. There's not a lot of structure. And this is just a really upscaled, almost a handmade, detailed kind of piece. It doesn't, again, it's a woven fabric, so extremely, extremely breathable. And it's going to be color fast and really, really nice. Now, I'm going to jump on and show you two other same exact cuts, but the fabric is a little bit different. So let's see how those hang. So this one, the black and white one, was a rayon crepe. Next, we are going to do something called a Liverpool crepe. Okay, Liverpool crepe, it's still going to be flowy and feminine, but it has a little bit more of a texture. It literally feels, when you touch it, it feels like crepe paper that you would decorate a party with. And again, these tassels are a really nice cream that matches the flower. The embroidery detail is a beautiful cream. So this is just pink and, kind of like a really nice, I don't know, kind of like, almost like a Mary Kay pink. It's just like a really pretty pink. It's not too pinky. It's kind of pink and peach and tan at the same time. So I would love this with beige. Now, of course, you can wear it with black and you can wear it with jeans. This is, again, a beautiful piece. And I feel like it hangs exactly the same way. And, again, I'm still going to stick to a 3X. The flowiness is definitely there. If anything, this maybe have a slight more structure. But, again, to me, this is like the same exact shirt. It just feels like you can feel the texture against my skin. So it just has that kind of crepe paper feel to it. The next one I'm going to try is called bubble crepe, kind of similar to this, this material that I have on. So let me put that one on. And again, that's a 3X. I didn't even bother sizing down to a 2X. I could just tell by the cut that it would probably be a little bit, maybe too snug on my belly. But what I love about it is that at the very bottom of the shirt is the widest part. So you can always just pull it up if you need to compensate for extra hips. It does get very wide towards the bottom. So if you can figure out a way to kind of pull it up, you should have no problem. I also think you 26 girls could probably have plenty of room in this too. So this is a beautiful, beautiful print, okay? This just reminds me of my grandmother. And I know you're probably thinking, like, I don't want to look like my grandmother. No. I have such an affinity and affection and love and pedestal idleness for my grandmother that this is like a huge compliment. I think it's just really, really feminine. And it just like elevates it. Like this, the print just elevates the shirt even more. I mean, this is like hashtag girly, girly, girly. I can just imagine this with a really long denim maxi skirt, cute freaking Birkenstocks or something, like really nice sandals, big beach hat, and this is just beautiful. This is a show-stopping shirt. Absolutely love it. Now, this is bubble crepe, and again, it drapes exactly the same, and it has that same kind of texture as the Liverpool one. The only difference with the bubble crepe, I'm trying to see if I can get you to see it, is you can actually... The texture is, you can actually see the texture. I think maybe a little bit more, kind of. It has, but it feels just like the Liverpool. So, to be honest with you, if you don't want that crepe material, then you're probably going to want to stick to the rayon crepe, which was the black one I had. That feels a little bit more like kind of gauzy. Where these feel a little bit more, they have a little bit more structure to them, and then they just have that overall texture to them. But for the most part, it's the same shirt all three ways. I cannot wait till these come and you guys can get your hands on them because it's an incredible shirt. Tell me what you think about it. Don't forget to join my group, shopwithamos.com. And remember, ladies, with me on your side, you are going to rock your closet. Thanks for watching.